Hi YouTube, Mystic Knight 38. Wonderful morning this morning. Guess what we got last night? A gift from Montana and North Dakota. A whole bunch of heavy wet snow. It's just wonderful. Just give me a second. Back, put off some mirrors. As soon as I get backed out of my driveway here, we're still in the middle of a blizzard. Thanks to the snow front. Stuck in my driveway. Okay, I'm back. Got some bills paid. We're gonna go back through downtown. Just because I like stopping lots of ice. It's always so much fun. I'm gonna point the camera out to the front and see what my city looks like when it's, in a blizzard. Actually, it's slacked off a bit. The wind is still going pretty good. It's still snowing a bit. Hard to believe that these streets were clean yesterday. So I was gonna, film my backyard after I cleaned up. But, obviously that isn't going to happen now, next weekend. And my daughter's dance recital coming up in 3 weeks. Canadian election coming up in 2 days, Monday. So what do you think we're going to get? Another minority? Yay. Those are expensive. Having an election every, 2 or 3 years? At a cost of how much? How many millions? Is always such a good idea. Like we got money to spend on the federal level. This is going to start. So yeah, this is actually end of April, beginning of May, and yes, I ran a yellow. And we've got snowdrifts back. Dead airspace. Can't think of anything else to talk about right now. Oh yeah, last night on Facebook I was going through an Alice and Ozzy kind of night. And let's see, who else came along for the ride? Europe, Lita Ford, and I had to throw Warrant in there. Actually, Warrant was just after I posted on Facebook Spark in the Dark by Alice Cooper. I figured it kind of fit. I guess we wanted to go for triple play. I could have put in Mistress for Christmas by AC/DC after that. That would have been pretty much all three of the same themes. Same theme. But anyway, I'm gonna run. This is getting fun to drive on right now. Later.